What if the answer to feeling healthier, energized, and unstoppable lies in a small everyday choice? Cutting back on sugar is more powerful than you think. It's the first step toward reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and living your best life. Imagine waking up every morning full of energy, knowing your body's getting healthier. Cutting back on sugar could make this your reality. Studies show that most people eat too much sugar, as much as 77 grams per day, more than double the recommended amount. Reducing your sugar intake can help you feel better in ways you didn't think possible. It can lead to a stronger heart, more energy, and even boost your immune system. Let's show how this simple change can make a big difference in your life. First, let's talk about the hidden dangers of excessive sugar consumption. Did you know the average person consumes 77 grams of sugar each day? Way more than we need, and this overload is linked to serious health problems. The World Health Organization warns that by 2030, more than 50% of the global population could be obese because of diets high in sugar. Eating too much sugar causes quick spikes in blood sugar, leading to weight gain. Studies show that people who consume large amounts of sugar are 60% more likely to become obese. Sugar also increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, which now affects 1 in 10 adults worldwide. Too much sugar makes the body less responsive to insulin, causing high blood sugar levels that damage organs over time. High sugar levels can also increase bad cholesterol and triglycerides, clogging arteries. Research shows people who eat 17 to 21% of their calories from added sugar are 38% more likely to die from heart disease. But you can protect yourself from these dangers and take control of your health. Now let's see what happens when you cut back on sugar. When you reduce sugar in your diet, your body starts to reset and heal. The liver, which processes sugar, finally gets a break and can focus on burning fat instead, which is what we all want, right? Less sugar also means less insulin production, which helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and can lead to weight loss. Within just a few days, your body begins using stored fat for energy through a process called lipolysis. This helps melt away fat and gives you longer-lasting energy. A study from the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who cut back on sugar for just 2 weeks had 20% fewer blood sugar crashes. Long-term benefits are even more exciting. Research shows that cutting sugar can lower inflammation and reduce the risk of heart disease by 25%. Reducing sugar also helps protect your brain, improving memory and preventing mental decline within 30 days. Plus, cutting sugar allows your body to fight off illness better and stay healthier. So how can eating less sugar naturally boost energy? Cutting back on sugar gives your body more stable and lasting energy. When you eliminate sugar, your body switches from burning quick sugars to burning fat, which is a much more reliable fuel. This process helps you avoid energy crashes and keeps you feeling steady throughout the day. With less sugar, your body also uses nutrients like magnesium more efficiently, boosting energy at the cellular level. A study shows that people who reduce sugar feel 20% more energetic daily. Less sugar also means better sleep. A 2016 study found that people who cut out sugar had 33% better sleep in just 2 weeks, giving them more energy during the day. Let's show some practical ways to reduce sugar intake without feeling deprived. You don't have to give up sweetness to reduce sugar. Try natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, which won't spike your blood sugar. Focus on eating whole foods instead of processed snacks. Research from Harvard shows that people who avoid processed foods consume 40% less sugar. Start slowly by cutting back a little at a time. People who reduced sugar over 6 weeks had 60% fewer cravings for sweets. For dessert, enjoy fresh fruits like berries, which provide natural sugars and antioxidants. Also, swapping sugary drinks for water can help you lose weight and keep your energy up. Cutting back on sugar isn't about giving something up. It's about gaining so much more. See yourself waking up with a clear mind, a strong body, and the confidence that you're taking control of your future. A healthier, happier you is just around the corner, and the journey starts with a single choice. Make sure you like and subscribe for more healthy tips. And if you found this video beneficial, be sure to check out our latest superfood battle between oatmeal and avocado. See you next time.